So in your 16 years, how have you seen things change in relation to digital forensics, especially related to violent crimes?
When I came in, there were very few cases that had digital forensics. Most of our cases were about DNA. It was all physical evidence. So now I feel like every single case is a case where I need to go meet with SISU and our digital forensics experts.
Do you have any case examples you could share that where digital evidence has come into play and helped?
We had a case where we had a nurse here in Nashville that was murdered in her apartment. That suspect ended up having a cell phone. We found several pieces of evidence from the phone that tied him to the murder, but there was nothing extremely specific. Hours after the murder, he had actually done a Google search for pawn shop. They found that yes, he had gone, but they were able to pull the video surveillance from when he was in the store. You could see his exact clothing that matched the grainy surveillance video that we had from the incident. What was extremely critical in that case is that that pawn shop was closing the very next week. If they had waited even 2 days, that pawn shop would have not existed, that surveillance video would have not have been there, and that was really critical identification evidence in that homicide case that we were very fortunate to get a guilty verdict from the jury.
Getting to that evidence quickly is so critical.
The only thing that I don't want to happen in one of my cases is for suspects to not have cell phones.
Right.
That's a problem.
Yeah, makes sense.